Data analysis can be difficult to scale across projects due to being slow or disjointed. The SnapGPT Pipeline Analysis feature helps users easily detect errors in their pipelines, check that they are functioning all right, and also provides suggestions to improve the pipeline's efficiency. Click the Pipeline Analysis button to launch the tool. The default prompt will be entered into the message box to analyze the open pipeline in your workspace. If we run this, SnapGPT gives us a pipeline analysis report. The pop-up window shows insights about the pipeline overall with many warning messages. These messages are suggestions the user can follow to improve the pipeline, such as by adding notes or fixing label characters. The second tab goes into each snap and provides error insights specific to them individually. So the warnings for this pipeline all fall under the same level, represented by the yellow symbol. However, there are multiple levels of warnings that we may encounter when analyzing our pipeline. Here are the 3 levels of warnings. Red icons represent critical errors that make your pipeline unable to function at all. You must fix these to have your pipeline work. Yellow icons show filter warnings that are suggestions to enhance your pipeline but are not considered necessary. But your pipeline will work better if you follow as suggestions. Blue icons are informational messages that let you know if a snap can be replaced with another to work in the same way or better. Let's also take a look at a more complex pipeline analysis with many kinds of errors. If we click Pipeline Analysis again for this new pipeline, we will get many types of warning messages. As you can see in this analysis report, there are both critical and filter warnings for this pipeline. This feature helps catch the mistakes you may not have realized even occurred in building your pipeline. You can go in detail and resolve Snap-specific issues as well as overall pipeline ones. The tips and messages provide helpful recommendations for both resolving errors and improving the functionality of your pipeline. To not only create pipelines, but keep easily improving them, visit SnapLogic today.